We've made it through 5 amazing flowers, and this flower is the perfect finish. For the outer layer, I've chosen my darker deep khaki floss. I'm separating the floss and using 2 strands. We have lots of small petals here, so we'll start with a straightforward fill, the satin stitch. The satin stitch is an excellent stitch for practicing neatness. We're just filling all these outer petals, keeping our stitches close even, and running parallel from one side of the petal to the other. Fill all those petals around the flower to create a solid foundational layer. Hand stitching is a wonderful skill that allows you to make money while you enjoy the process. Every beautiful detail you add to a garment makes that clothing highly valuable and desirable. You're not just crafting, you're building a unique handcrafted brand that enhances every item you touch. Now for the fun part, we're moving to the inner layer and creating beautiful dimension. I've threaded my needle with the lighter khaki floss using 4 strands. First, stitch a small straight stitch base at the bottom of the petal. We're going to use a special technique here that I call the petal stitch to make the petals stand out. This lighter shade, layered over the darker one, immediately gives our Gerbera a lovely shading effect. This creates 4 neat rings designed to match the size of the smaller petal. Once the 4 rings are formed, carefully pull the needle through and secure all 4 loops with a small knot. Then anchor that entire cluster securely onto the fabric to complete the dimensional petal. This technique creates a beautiful, raised, realistic inner layer. Continue this method for all the remaining inner petals around the flower. Once all 4 rings are formed, carefully pass your needle through all 4 of those loops, catching the rings neatly. Now pull your working thread through and tie a small knot right at the top of those rings. This keeps the dimensions secure. Finally, take your needle straight to the back of the fabric to anchor the completed petal in place. Finally, we need to fill the dimensional center. I'm threading my needle with brown floss using 3 strands. I am stitching a ring of French knots around the outer edge of the circle. French knots add fantastic texture and dimension to the flower's heart. For the very middle part of the center, I'm switching to white floss, still using 3 strands, and filling the space completely with more French knots. The two-tone center gives it that realistic fuzzy texture. You have now mastered 6 incredible floral designs and built a huge amount of skill. Keep enhancing your garments with your hand touch. Those pieces are truly valuable. Thank you for joining me for this series. I hope to see you in our next project.